Hey, it's Angela Cruz, your independent sales consultant with Norwex. I wanted to show you guys our lovely hair turban, so I'm just going to take it off to show you. My hair's a little staticky. Usually you would do it with your hair wet. Okay, so there is a string on one side and a button on the other side, okay? You're going to flip your hair down and you're going to take the button and you're going to put the button at the back of your hair, the back of your head, and then you're going to stick your hair inside like so. Then you're going to twist your hair turban, grab your string, okay? Then you're going to pull it back and hook it on the button. Then the hair turban will suck up the water from your hair. Then you can take it down and let it air dry the rest of the way, and you don't have to ruin your hair with your hair dryer and brush and get wet. Hope you guys have a great day.